Okay, YouTube. Get you all fixed up here. Just hang loose for a second. Oh, hold on. Okay. I got something really cool I want to show you all. Just a second. Try to get my stuff set up here. Okay. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Can't see. Can't see. Oh, man. What was that? Okay. No big deal. Just tape. Okay. I got something pretty cool in the mail today. I figure I'd just show you. It's pretty cool. I am not going to make a fire with this right away. I'm just going to show you and just going to be sharing some survival gear today. Get this opened up. Okay, it's out of plastic. Yeah, I thought this thing was pretty cool. There we go. You see that? All right. So this piece right here goes in the middle. In here. Oops. Without breaking it.
What did you just broke?
Nothing. Okay. It's kind of crooked. Okay. That looks like, let me turn it like this so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, that sits here like that. And you put your fire bundle in here. You point this thing to the sun. Let me see if I can get a little glare off our light here. And something like that. And it'll heat this coil up. Heats up your fire bundle here. Take this out and stick this in your fire bundle or your bird's nest. And that's how this works. It's called a solar light. But it almost looks like it's a disc, like a mirror. So that, I think this is pretty cool. This is one of my gear view I was talking about, and it came in today. And so I think that's pretty cool. And this just pops back out. See? This heats up this coil here. The sun does. And it heats up your fire bundle. And you can make a fire with this thing. It just looks like a mirror. This thing is totally whacked out. Awesome. Yeah, buddy. See if I can stick this back down in there again. Or we won't worry about that. I just done showed you. So with this, you can probably single with this for rescue if you need to. And And I mean, this thing is lightweight. You stick it in a bug out bag, or 72 72-hour bug out bag. You get home. And I got another thing coming soon, and hopefully that I can show you and make fur with that too. And what I want to do, maybe I'm gonna wait when everything comes in, and just do a whole video on making fires, and with certain stuff here that comes in the mail. I order. So everything straightened up. Get everything set up for you and do a whole video on nothing but fire. How to make fire with different things, and with different, maybe do another one with a ferro rod, some cotton balls, and just be on a survival way to make fire without using a ladder and a match. So that said, I will do this for y'all when my other stuff comes in. So like I said, I'm trying to build my my channel up. So I hope you all like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this is all I got. So God bless. I am Survival LT. Survival LT is out and gone.